Did you know that bananas are actually berries, but strawberries aren't? Yep, according to botanical definitions, a berry is a fruit that develops from a single flower with one ovary and has multiple seeds inside. That means bananas qualify as true berries. They meet all the criteria. But strawberries, not so fast. They actually come from a flower with multiple ovaries, and their seeds are on the outside. That disqualifies them.
Tagu-taguan, hindi na kita maramdaman. Wala sa likod, wala sa harap. Kaya pagkabilang ko ng 3, bakit magkasama na kayo?
Huwag kang magpapakabaliw sa taong hindi ka naman minahal. Sapagkat kung hindi mo pahahalagahan ang sarili mo, sino pa ang magmamahal sa'yo?